welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all this look which I created for this Navratri. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Also, all the products I've used in this product will be mentioned in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. Now, let's get started. So first I'm going to start with applying a primer. And for primer, I'm using Incolor's 24K Gold Primer. I'm just taking a little bit of it and I'll just massage it all over my face. Whenever you go to play Garba, make sure that you use a foundation which is waterproof as well as it is long wearing. So here I'm using Elle Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit of it on the back of my hand and I'll just dot it all over my face and then blend it with a sponge. Is very important because when you play Garba, you are definitely going to sweat. All your makeup is just going to wash off. So it's better to set your face with a good powder. And for that, I'm using Elle Compact Powder. I'm just going to take a little bit of it. For my eyebrows, I'm using Mars Eyebrow Palette. So you get two colors over here. One is black and other one is brown. So what I usually like to do is I like to mix both the colors and just fill my eyebrows. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, now I'm going to do my eyes. And for my eyes, here I'm using Swiss Beauty's Ultimate Shadow Palette. And you get 9 different colors over here. I really like the color of the palette. Going with this shade right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this shade. This is a nice pink mauve shade. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and only going to concentrate on the outer V of my eye. And I'm trying to blend as much precisely as I can. Now I'm going to go ahead with this pink shivery shade with my finger and I'm just going to apply it to the inner corner. This eyeshadow palette is supremely pigmented, which I really like about it, and it's quite affordable also. I'm going to take the same brush and again blend these two colors from the middle so that there are no harsh lines. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go ahead with this shimmery shade and just highlight my brow bone and inner corners. I'll do my other eye and I will be right back. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using Lakme's Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner. My favorite blush, which is Flower Beauty's blush. This is in the shade Sweet Pea. Highlight my face, I'm using Incolor's Glimmer Blusher. This is a very beautiful highlighter. It looks white, but as soon as you apply it, it gives the golden shimmer, which looks amazing on any Indian look. Can you just see that glow? It is really blinding. Now for my lipstick, I'm using Voste's Ulti Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Naked 03. Now just to give the final touch, I'm going to put 3 dots over here with the same liquid eyeliner. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.